If you're looking for the best scroll saw, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, WEN3921 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. The high-end features of this WEN saw deliver clean and precise cuts. But that's not why it's earned our top pick as the best scroll saw for the money. Although the throat length is only 16 inches, the blade can be turned sideways, giving you infinite ripping capacity. Although its tool-free thumb screw blade adapter is supposed to accommodate pinned and pinless blades, in reality it's not very usable with the pinless blades. The variable speed from 400 to 600 SPM means you have great control of your cuts. The table tilts 45 degrees left for bevel cuts. Number 2. Fox W1713. The Fox 16-inch scroll saw is affordably priced, but it's still notably more expensive than our best value pick in second place. At 1.2 amps, it's got plenty of power and sufficient variable speed from 500 to 700 SPM. It features some nice additions like a gooseneck work light, dust blower, and a dust port. Depth of cut is a standard 2 inches. This saw tended to vibrate and bounce at higher speeds, making clean cuts more difficult. Although it's been advertised to be able to use both pinless and pin blades, we don't recommend this saw for use with pinless blades. Number 3. Delta 40 694 scroll saws. The dual parallel link arm design of the 4694 scroll saw from Delta Power Tools helps it achieve surprisingly quiet and smooth operation. The 1.3 amp motor provides variable speed from 400 to 1750 SPM at a cup depth of 2 1/8 inches. You can cut lengths of up to 20 inches with this saw. For bevels, the table tilts 45 degrees in each direction. One useful feature is the adjustable dust hose that can keep your cutting area clean and visible. The arm also locks and lifts for easy tool-free blade changes. Number 4. DEWALT Scroll Saw. The DEWALT DW788 makes masterfully intricate cuts while producing very little vibration. This heavy saw is stable and low noise. Blades are easily swapped out in seconds with no tools, and the depth of cut can be varied from 3/4 to 2 inches. With a throat length of 20 inches, you should have plenty of room for cutting a wide variety of different size materials. If you need a bevel, the table tilts 45 degrees each way. With a 1.3 amp motor, this saw is capable of blade speeds between 400 and 750 SPM. Number 5. Dremel MS20-01. This is definitely a great scroll saw for beginners, as it's also rich enough in features. It features an adaptable dust port that will allow you to utilize a dust collection system in your shop. This saw also has an auto tension component that makes it a breeze to change blades or accessories. Of course, it works just as well as a saw. With a smooth and relatively quiet motor and an adjustable speed function, you are truly getting a good, simple tool that will serve most shops well.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.